Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we'll be checking it out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have. Okay, guys, these are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, so quickly, this is very, very important. Okay, so now let's go straight into what we are right here, starting with gain x 1200. Okay, guys, if you have been following me on my in my videos, okay, following up with my videos, you will notice that I explained yesterday that this has been playing within this channel since yesterday. Okay, and of course today I also said once it gets to this support region and it does not break out from there, it will go back on uptrend. You can see going back on uptrend. And of course I said if it breaks out from here, it should get to this region, and if it breaks out from here, it should get to this region. Okay, but if it does not break out from here, then it will come back down again. You can see it broke out above it, and of course got to this region and even spiked up a few seconds ago to get to this particular region. So this is so amazing. That is why I always tell you that the trend trading strategy is still one of the best trading strategy. All you just need to do is just for you to have the right trading tool in order, or to have the right knowledge in order for you to trade it well. Okay, so this is very, very important. So this is still buying at the moment. If it breaks out above this, it's going to buy more. If it does not, then it will sell right from there. Okay, but for now it is still buying. So next asset is going to be gain X999. Let's check it out. Remember, I'm on 15 minutes time frame using the 3M trend Nioka trading indicator to do my analysis on all the charts. Okay, so this actually got to the resistance zone yesterday, and I said if it's unable to break out from there, then it's going to sell. So as we can see, it has started selling. Okay, switch from an uptrend into a downtrend, and it sold and even broke out below this trend line to sell more. Okay, so we are expecting it to break out from here. If it breaks out from this particular horizontal line, then our more selling opportunity probably will be targeting this particular support region. Okay, so this is very, very important, but for now it is still finding difficult to break out below this particular support region. Okay, so we want it to break out below it. Once it breaks out below it, then it will sell more. But if it's unable to break out below it, then we are most likely to experience more buying opportunity right from there. Okay, so if it breaks out above this, it's going to buy more. There are money also to sweep at this point, but we have more around here also, so we should watch out for that. Okay, so for now, this is still buying at the moment, even though it might not be for long, most especially if the market breaks out below the support zone. That is when it's going to sell more. Okay, so we should watch out for that. So the next asset is going to be Paynex 1200. This had been on downtrend for a while, but after getting to this support region, it has not been able to break out from there. So it went on uptrend, switching to an uptrend, and of course, it is still buying at the moment, even though we need to be very careful so that we don't get it wrong. Okay, so if it breaks out from here successfully, then it's going to buy more, and it might be targeting this particular spot right from there. Okay, so this is very, very important. So for now, this is still buying. Okay, so we should take note of that right from there. Okay, so the next asset, which is Paynex 999, is giving us this kind of vibes. Okay, so this had been on uptrend for a while, but after getting to this support, I mean resistance zone, it has not been able to break out from there. So you can see my setup. This is the entry point. This is the um, stop loss. This is where I place the stop loss, and of course, you can see it has been crashing down, even though there are pullbacks in between. It's taking its time. It's crashing down. I expect it to get to this region. Okay, so this is going to sell more. Okay, so we should take note of that. So the last asset is going to be FX volume 80. Let's check it out together. This is FX volume 80. This has been an uptrend, got to this region, it has not been able to break out above it. So it started a downtrend, even though when it got to this region, it's having a major pullback. Okay, once it is done with the pullback, it will continue with the downtrend. But if it breaks out above this particular region, then we expect it to buy more. Okay, so we should take note of that. If it breaks out above this, we should expect it to buy more. But for now, it is buying at the moment. We don't expect it to go above this before it will continue with the downtrend. Okay, so this is very, very important because it is just a pullback. So I'm going to say we are expecting more selling opportunity right from there, except if it breaks out above that trend line, that is when it's going to buy more. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. I will be stopping right here. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.